So what we're using today as part of Pegasus Charge is what we call the Operation Return of the Condor. So this exercise is all about using passive sensors that the enemy cannot detect that we're using to detect enemy movements. And then that allows us to start bringing firepower, bringing forces forward.
We have some civilian UAS and counter-UAS companies out here, and then I'm here today with my FPV drones, and then I'm also flying in the hangar to demonstrate that these systems can in fact pick up the drones, and then demonstrating how they work. And then we'll move out to the field and actually do some actual flights out in the field with some sim setups.
So what we did learn and what we proved is we can actually do that. We can now take those passive sensors, put them on Abrams and on Bradleys, on our maneuver assets, and now they can build an air picture. So we were able to detect up to 3 kilometers and out.
So Pegasus Charge is the division's effort to transform in contact. So I think there's a lot of lessons learned that can be codified throughout our training progression. This is the new frontier. These initiatives will go on to ensure that we can move on the offense and sit in the defense as necessary to prevail during combat operations.
As we develop, as the Army's kind of going into this transformation in contact, we have the opportunity to do things like this. There's no other brigade that is attempting to do this level of exercise with this complexity. So this becomes transformative for not only our brigade, our division, but really our soldiers that are going to be fighting that battle. The way the U.S. Army wants to fight, we need to be able to control tempo. We need to be out dictating the force. So when we move forward is our discretion, not by the enemy.